Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm on my way to a garage to get that exhaust mod that I've been talking to you about, but before that I'm going to chow this down and then get this vlog started. I can't wait to get this mod done. I just got to drop off my girlfriend, she's going to work and stuff, so yeah, I've been working, I work nights now, so I've just I'm still awake from working my shift, but hey, S2000 stuff. Hopefully I'll get the exhaust done today. I've also got other pieces to go on the car. Maybe some headlights, new headlights, xenon bulbs and stuff like that, and I'll try and just, you know, do all the other small things. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you at the garage. So that's the exhaust mod that I got installed on my car. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips and the stuff. I'm sorry I couldn't vlog of the install because they couldn't install the car straight away. I had to wait like 3-4 hours for it to be installed, so I had to like walk around and kill some time. I told the garage to install a 38mm pipe. I'll show you a picture of the exhaust mods because some of you might not know what the exhaust mod is. So essentially the Honda S2000 has a twin loop exhaust system, so with this piping the exhaust gases bypasses the muffler and just frees up the Honda S2000 tone, and in my personal opinion I think it's a really good way of making your car louder on a budget. I'll tell you how much it costs me. It cost me about £200 to get the pipe installed and the labour. That's 2.5 hours work, so it's not too bad. I thought I'd get it cheaper, but with the amount of work and stuff done to it, I think that's quite reasonable. That's better than paying, let's say, for a £700 exhaust system. And then again, in my personal opinion, this UK exhaust mod just enhances the Honda S2000 VTEC and the noise of the engine, which is really cool. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the exhaust mod. I really do enjoy it, so I'm going to be running that exhaust mod for a while. Eventually I will be upgrading the cat back, but as of now I quite like the UK exhaust mod. I do have more mods coming in for the exhaust system, so stay tuned for that. I need to do the airbox mod and I'll show you what that is, and fitting a test pipe or a decat just to make the car even louder. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry it's quite short, but I do have loads more planned for the S2000. Like I said, the airbox. I've got a couple more bits to put on, like new headlights, bulbs, new tail light bulbs, no, not tail lights, sorry, number plate bulbs and dome lights, and just small little touches like that. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and chase your dreams.